industries that the world faces. It is responsible for shaping the physical environment in which we live, work, and interact. Hospitals, roads, bridges, and skyscrapers. Construction contributes directly to the infrastructure and development of any country. Without construction, there would be no cities, no transportation systems, and no public services as we know them. The foundations of society. Construction is deeply connected to human civilization. From ancient times, people have built shelters to protect themselves. Over time, these structures became more complex, leading to the development of architecture, engineering, and urban planning. Construction is no longer just about survival. It is about improving the quality of life. Homes provide security. Schools offer places for children. None of these would exist without the construction industry. Economic impact. The construction industry plays a significant role. Construction also supports other industries, such as manufacturing, mining, construction is roads, railways, airports, and ports can open up trade opportunities and connect people to new markets. In urban areas, attractive destinations, increase property values, and stimulate construction projects can provide a long-term return on investment. For example, building a bridge not only creates jobs during construction, this increases productivity and improves access to education, healthcare, and more social and construction is not only about function, it also reflects culture and identity. The design of buildings, public spaces, and monuments tells the story of a society's history, beliefs, and values. In many cities, architecture defines the skyline, creating a sense of place. Think of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, the Great Wall of China, or the pyramids in Egypt. These structures are not only symbols, but also cultural symbols. In modern cities, green buildings and sustainable design show a commitment to environmental responsibility and innovation. Construction also plays a role in improving cities. Building affordable
Salary is delayed for a few days.
Despite its many benefits, construction also has a major impact on the environment. It consumes large amounts of energy, water, and raw materials. It produces waste, air pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. Poorly planned construction can lead to deforestation, soil erosion, and destruction. Therefore, the construction industry is facing increasing pressure to become more sustainable. This means using eco-friendly materials, reducing energy consumption, recycling construction, and designing buildings with green construction is becoming more popular. Techniques like using solar panels, rainwater harvesting, help reduce the environmental footprint of buildings. Cities are also investing in green spaces, bike lanes, and smart infrastructure to create more sustainable environments. Technological advancements. Technology is transforming the construction industry. Innovations such as 3D printing, drones, artificial intelligence, and building information models are making construction faster. For example, 3D printing can be used to build houses quickly with minimal waste. Automation and robotics are also changing how construction work is done. Robots can lay bricks, pour concrete, or perform dangerous tasks, reducing the risk of injury for human workers. These technologies are not only increasing productivity, but also helping address labor shortages and challenges. Construction and mismanagement can also be problems, especially in large public projects. Climate change is another major challenge. As the extreme weather becomes more common, buildings and infrastructure must be designed to withstand harsh conditions. Construction with smart design will be essential for the future. The industry must address issues of affordability. In many cities, housing prices are rising faster than incomes, leading to housing shortages. Governments and developers must work together to create more inclusive and shapes society, reflects culture, and impacts the environment. As the world continues to grow and change, the construction industry must adapt, innovate, for creating a better, more sustainable world. Whether it's building homes for families, bridges that connect people, or schools that educate future generations, construction remains one of the most powerful forces in shaping the role of construction in our society. Construction is one of the most essential industries in the world today. It is responsible for shaping the physical environment in which we live, work, and interact. From houses and schools to hospitals, roads, bridges, and skyscrapers, construction contributes directly to the infrastructure and development of any country. Without construction, there would be no cities, no transportation systems, and no public services as we know them. The foundations of society. Construction is deeply connected to human civilization. From ancient times, people have built shelters to protect themselves from the elements and wild animals. Over time, these structures became more complex, leading to the development of engineering and urban planning. Today, construction is no longer just about survival. It is about improving the quality of life. Homes provide security and comfort for families. Schools offer places for children to learn and grow. Hospitals give people access to life-saving medical care. Offices and factories are where people work and create that exist without the construction industry. Economic impact. The construction industry plays a role in the economy of every nation. It creates millions of jobs worldwide, from engineers, architects, and project managers to skilled laborers, plumbers, and painters. Construction also supports many other industries, such as transportation and real estate. In developing countries, construction is often a key driver of economic growth. Building new roads, railways,